Greetings from the BSC designer team. Performance measurement is a core part of strategy execution. It's not just about tracking the right KPIs. We need to align performance measurement with the overall strategy and focus on delivering relevant, consistent insights. Let's go through the 5 steps to create such a measurement framework. Step 1. Define the measurement context. A common mistake in performance measurement is focusing on the metric, its measurement and reporting, while ignoring the business context behind these efforts. Why do we track this metric? What hypothesis are we validating? How is it relevant to stakeholders? Without these answers, measurement lacks meaning. So how can we properly define the context? Follow the steps in our strategy implementation system. Start by capturing the strategic ambitions of stakeholders. Cascade them into scorecards. Within each scorecard, make high-level objectives more specific by defining sub-goals and KPIs. This ensures your metrics have a clear purpose and are always linked to stakeholder value. Step 2. Set up performance indicators. A conceptual KPI definition is just the beginning. Next, we add details to make metrics specific and consistent. KPI setup includes clear definition, chosen measurement method and units, assigned person responsible for tracking. Not all metrics are percentages. Some are measured in dollars, others in days or by the number of items or people. Their behavior also varies. While some improve as values increase, others, like response time, improve as values decrease. To analyze different types of metrics across scorecards, we normalize them using performance measurement functions. Reliable performance measurement also requires data consistency. Here are 4 key elements that support it. Update frequency. Define how often each KPI is updated, such as monthly or quarterly. Data inheritance. Decide if past data can be reused or if fresh input is always required. Aggregation rules. Set how metrics are grouped over time. For example, sales might be summed and customer satisfaction averaged. The last one, traceability. Ensure every change is tracked by time and by the person responsible. In your scorecards, you're not dealing with just one KPI. You'll work with a hierarchy of metrics linked to specific goals. This allows you to see how KPIs contribute to shared objectives, distinguish between leading and lagging indicators, apply weights to better reflect the impact of each metric on overall performance. But how can you implement all of this in practice? In spreadsheets, maintaining this level of structure and traceability can be difficult, especially as the number of KPIs grows and the need for consistency and collaboration increases. That's why many teams turn to BSC Designer, a solution that lets you define KPIs, keep data consistent, and collaborate easily, all in one place. Third step, plan and track KPIs. With KPIs defined and structured, you can start using them in practice. Set monthly or annual targets. Update KPIs with actual data. Track progress over time using performance functions to see how close you are to the targets. Step 4, analyze performance. With performance data available, you can begin asking questions such as, how are indicators progressing over time? Which ones are underperforming? What trends are emerging? To answer these questions, your performance measurement framework should include dashboards for key metrics, strategy maps to add context, AI-powered analysis to detect anomalies and correlations. Step 5, drive continuous improvement. How do you act on what you've learned? Avoid linking KPIs directly to rewards or incentives. Instead, use them as starting points for discussions. Why is this metric underperforming? What actions can we take? Is this still the right KPI for this goal? Encourage feedback through comments. Document improvement plans. Share results with your team, including decision makers and senior stakeholders. To summarize, a well-designed performance measurement framework aligns with your goals, ensures data consistency, and supports collaborative strategy. Using a platform like BSC Designer lets your team focus on results, not spreadsheets. Thanks for watching. Sign up for the free plan of BSC Designer and start using it for performance measurement and strategy implementation.